This is the beautiful Abbey of Montecassino that the Allies bombed into a rubble during World War II. That backfired as far as their attempt to take the Nazis out of here. They use different marbles brought from all over the world here. So after World War II, this abbey had been bombed into a rubble, and it was rebuilt with contributions coming in from all over the world. Glad they saved this. The biggest loss were some frescoes by Luca Giordano. This is a chapel dedicated to the Pietà. By the way, this is still a working abbey.
Yes.
So there's the organ. And this is the resting place of Saint Scholastica and Saint Benedict. One last look